All right, good morning, everybody. Uh, Today is Friday, the 17th. and On my other video, I said that we needed to break this downward trend line in order to go have more higher prices above the 284 that we had on the most recent high. And well, yesterday was a kind of a consolidation day. And let's zoom in and we will see. So yesterday was kind of a consolidation day, and we touched that downward trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Went above it once and kind of bounced off, and we consolidated. The 275 was definitely the support area, and that downward trend line was the resistance area. And as you can see, we opened up touching that resistance, and we came down, touched the support, the 275 support, came up, hit that ceiling again, came down, touched the 275 support, and the rest of the day was pretty much on a bullish trajectory. And basically, at the end of the day, it went above that descending trend line once again and stayed above it for the rest of the day. And what do we have today? Holy cow. Look at this gap up. From 285? No, 279 was the close yesterday. And today it shot up to 289.40 as for the high of the overnight session. It's now 285.60, but holy cow. What a bounce. What a ride up. That's quite the gap up. Anyway, so since we broke that downward trend line, we should stay above it now, for a while anyway. And I couldn't even tell you. I guess the 280. It's going to be the 280 is our new support level, and the 289.40 is our resistance. So we'll do a price level here at the high of the overnight session. A little bit higher. There we go. And we will do where it closed yesterday as the new support level. So we'll make that new line. The 280. That will be our support. So, and basically this trend line I did yesterday, that was the prior day's low to the overnight low, and basically I just had it following through the rest of the day, but really didn't mean too much. But we can also use the same trend line as, I guess, the first support level. We'll see if it holds the support level right here. If it doesn't hold that support level, then we'll go to the second support level at 280. And we will be hitting a resistance of 289.40 up here if we get to up to that level. So, it's quite the gap up last night. So I don't, the overnight guys, the futures guys really had all the fun, and today probably will consolidate between the 288, 289, and the 282 level. I don't know if it'll go much further down from this point. There's a hell of a ton of support there. I mean, that's pretty darn strong. And this trend line was definitely a target point to to try and beat. So anyway, that is our targets and our levels to watch out for today. The 289.40, this trend line, which is at the 286 level now, and the bottom support of the 282, 280 level around here. So we'll see what happens today. I did have a trade in yesterday. I bought in at the 277 call yesterday because it wanted to break out of this downward trend line. So I just took a shot and bought a call at the 277, expires today, and it'll be worth some money this morning. And I also did a trade from this downward trend line. However, when I made the trade, I was expecting it to go down to the 272, 270, 272, 274 level, and it barely got under 275 before it started going up. And I failed to sell. My emotions got to me, and I could have took a profit there, but instead I thought, no way, it'll go back down. It'll test that low again, but it never did. And I got tired of waiting, and I didn't know if it was going to keep going up and staying up because it was just the bulls were just so strong defending this level. And anyway, I sold out at a loss on that trade there for a couple bucks, 20 or 30 bucks. That was it hit my stop, and I was in the money for a while, didn't take the profit, and thought it would turn around, and it didn't, and it became a loss. So yeah, don't let your emotions, take it. I had profit there. I don't know why I didn't take it. So, but anyway, but the call option I did at the end of the day, I will be recovering that loss and some today. So anyway, good luck, happy trading, and yeah, have a good weekend, everybody.